An amazing day, beautiful Atomians. Yung magagandang creatures, okay? Kayo po ba ay excited sa inyong success dito sa Atomy? Louder, please. Yes. Okay, so I will be leaving a question to you that you might find yourself answering at the end of this presentation. Okay, so here we have the power of dreams. Here in Atomy, we have set this vision for ourselves, and then we are taking this seriously, yung itinuturo ng ating kumpanya na gawin ang ating life scenario, putting our vision into words, and words conquering matter. We have words over matter. So here we have started with the dream of our Mongsang, our dreamer, Mr. Park Han-gil. Sa kanya nagsimula ang lahat. He never doubted his dreams. And look at where that dream has brought us all now today. Okay, so etong taong to, he is the one leading us in this company. From that old minivan that served as his office at first, nag-level up tayo sa isang rented office na ang signage niya lang po ay ang A4 size na paper, may nakasulat na Atomy. Sa tingin ninyo, sino ang magsusugal sa business na ganyan lang ang signage? Pero hindi nag-give up ang ating chairman. And I hope with that, we will be inspired all throughout this afternoon na gawin yung gusto niyang gawin natin. To call more people so more people will become successful in the system of Atomy. It is always a humbling moment, an opportunity for me to be asked to present to you a company that we all are proud to be a part of. I am Diamond Master Christian Santo Domingo from Baguio Cup Center. The age of uncertainty. Lahat ba tayo? Alam niyo na ba na sigurado ng secured ang ngayon ninyo, lalo na ang kinabukasan ninyo? Lalo na po ngayon, there is the uncertain retirement in the era of 100-year plan. Humahaba na po ang buhay ng tao ngayon. And if you check the picture here, mas mahaba pa po yung years na mabubuhay tayo after retirement. So kung magre-retire kayo sa present job ninyo, are you comfortable na aalis man kayo or magre-retire kayo, alis kayo sa trabaho, secured na nga ba ang buhay ninyo? So how will we have a secured future? We have to have thorough preparation para hindi tayo nagsisisi, hindi tayo nalulungkot pagdating ng panahon na to. Now, we have the ChatGPT. Who is familiar in using ChatGPT? Or agad-agad yan, di ba, nagpapakita sa atin pag meron tayong question. Kaya, lahat ng gusto nating alamin, alam ni ChatGPT. Di po ba? Kaya ako, I'm also concerned, ano kaya ang gagawin ng mga schools in the future? Pag totally na nag-take over ang AI, ano na lang ang ituturo nila when everything is at the tip of our finger? Economic uncertainty. Nandyan ang war, nandyan yung pagtaas ng presyo, nawawalan ng trabaho, nagsasara ang mga kumpanya, o kaya limited ang job opportunities. And then, like the one mentioned earlier on, unstable ang retirement natin. So kailangan natin ang established system na magbibigay sa atin ng stable and sustainable income. Now, nakikita natin yung age bracket na yan. Nasaan po ba kayo dyan? Okay, so kung makikita ninyo, some people na nandyan sa age bracket na yan, they are employed pero kailangan pa nilang humanap ng part-time jobs. Okay? So, pwede ba silang magsama-sama na magtrabaho sa iisang kumpanya and then make a big success? Here in Atomy, it's really very possible. Ano ang pwede nating advantage when we are at our 20s and 30s? Magaling sila sa info technology. Yung social media, yung mga TikTok na yan, kayang-kaya nila yan. And then, yung 40s and 50s, yan yung mga tao na they are really very passionate na bigyan ng second chance yung sarili nila na subukan ang mga opportunities na nakikita nila sa paligid nila. Yung over 60s naman, itatabi na ba natin sila? No. Kasi sila naman, marami silang kakilala na pwede nilang i-connecta sa sistema. So, all together, we can build the synergy of United Hearts. At dito, magagawa natin yan sa Atomy. So, Atomy can be a reliable business partner. Now, the question is, natanong nyo po ba, why Atomy? Now, pag may nagtanong sa inyo, ano ba si Atomy as a business? Atomy as a business, it is a platform business. Now, just try to imagine this. Kunwari, meron kayong isang nagawang produkto. Kung ibebenta nyo, ilalako nyo to sa mga kapitbahay ninyo, sila lang ang makakabili nun. Pero kung kayo nagbukas kayo ng store, pumunta kayo sa palengke, and then kung sino man yung dadaan sa store ninyo or sa inyo, sa pwesto ninyo, sila ang makakabili. Pero ang platform, mas maganda yan. Because this platform will connect hundreds of producers to many consumers where they are sharing values. Ano yung mga example ng values na yan? Content, money, services, good, information. So, kung nakita ninyo yung mga familiar dyan, Shopee, Lazada, Temu, gumagawa po ba sila ng produkto nila? No. Ganyan din po si Atomy. Hindi gumagawa si Atomy ng produkto. Pero ang ginagawa ng isang platform, kinokonekta niya ang maraming producers sa napakaraming consumers. And for a business, that is an edge. Mas malaki yung growth natin pag platform ang business natin. The next one would be system-based business. I want you to take note of this. Nandun sa pinakababa, I'm not sure if you can all read that, pero sa Atomy yan, mababasa nila yan dahil sa routine natin. A system-based business should be a well-established business. Ibig sabihin, your involvement, lalo na sa building stage na yan, kailangan yan. Yung hard work. Hindi yung nag-register ka lang, bukas successful ka na kay Atomy. No. Kailangan nating magtrabaho. Kailangan ng involvement natin. Ano ang examples natin? Yung rental income from the building that you have built. We have the copyright royalties from the music and from the books that you have made. And then the bank interest income from your well-earned money. And advertising revenue from your vlog and YouTube. And then, sa atin, yung stable na ating consumer base sa ating network marketing. So, eto po, kailangan siyang maging established and it should have that automated power na kahit natutulog ka, nananaginip ka, kumikita ka. Na nandito ka sa Pilipinas, yung ibang members mo nasa abroad, pumapasok pa rin ang PV na pagkakakitaan natin. That is Atomy as a system. So, platform, system, yan ang bumubuo sa Atomy as a business. Now, ang tanong, the big question, sa lahat ng mga opportunities na nakikita ninyo sa inyong paligid, bakit ninyo pipiliin si Atomy? Bakit natin paninindigan si Atomy? Let's check our reasons. The first, a premier global enterprise. Premier meaning first. Mangunguna siya. Papaano mauuna si Atomy? We have the best quality products. Yan ang pinakaunang itinanim ng ating chairman sa atin. He built the trust in us by planting the best quality products that will meet the customer satisfaction. And then, magle-level up siya sa customer success. Meron ba kayong nakita na ibang kumpanya dyan na customer success ang mission nila? Wala. Only here in Atomy. Because ang bawat success story ng Atomyan, yan ang magbibigay ng success ng Atomy. Okay? Now, we have the absolute quality, absolute price products. Sa quality na to, eto na yung pinakamababang pwede nilang itapat na presyo. At sa mababang presyo na to, eto na yung pinakamaganda naman ang quality. And we get to enjoy these products here in Atomy. Ito ang pinakaunang regalo ni Atomy para sa atin. And look at this picture. A market leader with overwhelming competitive edge. Okay? Rank number 2 siya sa Korean industry sales. Ilang taon po si Atomy? 16. Sweet 16. Pero fierce 16 tayo. Bakit po? Makikita ninyo, we have 96.5 billion pesos po yan, global consolidated revenue. And we have 26 number of global regional branches open. And we have 144 countries for registration at hawak nyo yan. Your ID can conquer the world. Yan po, ganyan kalakas ang ID na hawak ninyo. Kaya huwag niyong hayaan na langlangin nila ang ating business kasi hawak mo ang mundo. So, reminder, beautiful Atomians, the world is waiting for you. The world is waiting for us. Now, we have been awarded the $300 million Export Tower Awards, and this is the first ever in the network marketing industry. And of course, the chairman, Park Han-gil, received the Presidential Award on Trade Day in 2019. At tignan natin ang global picture. Every 3 years, naglalabas sila ng list na to. Nakita na natin sa top 10 si Atomy 3 years ago. Ngayong naglabas ulit sila, nasa top 10 pa rin si Atomy. Okay? Ang mga classmate natin dyan, more than 30, 50, at may more than 100 years old pa po dyan. Pero tayo, grade 10 pa tayo sa level ng mga mag-aaral. Pero nasa top 10 pa rin po tayo. And that's a good point para sa business natin. And it is going first because the company is leading the global direct selling market by joining the World Federation for Direct Selling Association CEO Council. At gagawa na naman tayo ng remarkable chapter sa ating journey dahil coming 2026, Korea will hold the World Congress ng WFDSA. Ganyan ka sipag, ganyan kakisig ang CEO natin na inilalapit niya ang mundo sa atin. Okay, and we have a global distribution of mass prestige products. Saan nagsimula si Atomy? Sa Korea. Korean products lang po ba ang na-enjoy natin dito sa Atomy? No. We are enjoying the best of the best products from different parts of the world. Atomy is going to that aim of building that hyper-connectivity na dream society. Resources to market, people and countries. Nagsasama-sama sila as one. Kaya nga ang tawag nyo sa Atomy, family. At huwag kayo, global Atomy family ang meron tayo dito. Next, don't you know that we are the first ever in the networking industry to have this ESG report? Environment, social, and governance. Binabantayan yan ni Atomy. Sineseryoso niya yung responsibilities niya para dito. We have the Blue Marine Ocean na project ni Atomy. And nakuha natin in 2023 the Ministry of Trade, Industry, and Energy's Prize for Excellence in Sustainable Management. Let me give you an Atomy ESG trivia. Si Atomy, gumastos siya ng 5 million pesos to lessen plastic packaging sa ating mga products. And they have spent also 1 million pesos para palitan yung plastic na packaging tape into paper tape. Bakit sila gagastos? Dahil seryoso sila sa ESG management natin. Okay. Hindi tayo kailanman mawawala dahil ang taong nangunguna, the one leading us is this faithful and strong man. A very honest man. So, he is selected as one of Korea's most respected CEO for 4 consecutive years. Your shepherd is a good man. Kaya magpasalamat po tayo sa kanya. And Atomy received a great place to work. Napili si Atomy Korea. And it is also ranked 2 in the 2022 Best Workplaces in Asia for Small and Medium Enterprises category. Asia na po yan, ha? Okay, so ganyan kisig ang ating company. And please give an applause sa ating Philippine branch because we also have the rank number 5 in the Philippines for the best place to work. I'm sure in a few years' time, makakasama na tayo doon sa mas mataas pa. So to the staff of Atomy Philippines, thank you and congratulations. And now, ito ang isa sa napaka-importante na makikita natin kay Atomy. Na ang puso ni Atomy, it is directed to each one of us, the customers. So yan lahat ang naibigay na award sa atin because we care for our customers. Next, we have been featured in this major media coverage. So, hindi po ako familiar sa iba, pero these are big magazines and broadcasting station. Kung bigatin ka, mafi-feature ka dyan. So, ganyan kalaki ang business natin. And the next, why? Ano yung pangalawang why natin dito? The brand that you can trust. Chairman Park Han-gil said, once trust is established, profit follows. Trust muna. Ano ang ginamit niya para makuha ang trust natin? Yung good quality, the best quality products. And we have this unmatched customer satisfaction. Dahil near to 0% ang return rate natin. I have a member in the US, ang in-order niya is herbal body cleanser. Ang dumating is body lotion. So, she has to return the products. Pinalitan ni Atomy. At kasama sa return rate po yon. Yung naibalik sa kumpanya dahil mali yung size or mali yung item. So, 0.21%, yan ang pinamakababa sa top 10 companies sa return rate. So, we all are satisfied. And we have here our product, ang ating Hemohim. This is the best-selling product in the industry for 10 consecutive years and we are given 22 international patents. Kaya hindi yan basta-basta magagaya. Hindi tatanggapin si Atomy sa malalaking bansa kung may problema yan. Kaya yung mga sumusubok na sirain si Hemohim ay hindi yan makakapalag dahil meron tayong 22 international patents. And we will get to learn more about this in the next lecture. And then, the Absolute Selective Skincare. This is one of my favorites actually. This is ranked number 1 in the beauty sector for 5 consecutive years naman. And we have the global cumulative sales na reach natin ang 1 trillion won mark. And this is equivalent to 4 million pesos. And then, we have here the details about that beauty skincare. We have the awards na naibigay, 4 po ang binigay nilang award para sa ating Absolute Selective Care. I will just give you an explanation kung ano nga ba yung mga awards na yan. And so what kung 4 ang award niya? Okay? So we have King Sejong is one of the famous rulers in Korean history. He is really very supportive sa science and technology and economic researches. At during his time, ang famous scientist is Jang Yong-shil. So yung 2 award na naibigay sa atin na nakapangalan sa 2 kilalang taong to is more on science and technology. So among the 146 cases in the year 2021, ang nakakuha po ng King Sejong Award, first in the cosmetics industry, ang ating Absolute Selective Scent. And yung IR52, Jang Yong-shil Award, narinig na natin yan sa The Fame. Iisang product ang nabigyan, yung essence natin sa The Fame. Pero dito sa Absolute Set, lahat ng 6 na yan nabigyan ng IR52 Jang Young-shil Award. And the next Excellent Product Award is given sa mga produkto na bago yung innovations nila sa technology na nabuo sa Korea. Yun ang ibibigay, yung NEP na yan. And then Korea World Class naman po, next generation world-class product, ibinibigay ito sa product or company na nakikita nila na projected sa sales na they will get the 5th largest global sales in the next 7 years. So kaya binigay yan kasi nakita nila sa trend ng sales na malaki ang sales natin dito sa Cell Active Set. So sana lahat tayo maging confident na gamitin ang napakagandang product na to. And dito ako laging natutuwa, itong Atomy toothbrush. Because in 2021, we also were able to sell 37 million units. Maarte ako, sabi ko nga. Kaya kinompute ko talaga kung worth ba na tawaging 1 second toothbrush ang toothbrush natin. I-multiply natin. 60 seconds times 60 minutes in 1 hour and 24 hours in a day and 365.25 days in a year. Ano ang makukuha natin na result? 31,557,600 units. Malayong mababa doon sa 37 na nakalagay dyan. Kaya deserve ng ating toothbrush na matawag na 1 second toothbrush. Okay? So, those 3 products are just representatives of the hundreds of products that we are enjoying here in our company. Next one, pangatlong big why natin. The culture of Atomy. Lahat tayo ay kultura nila ganyan. Kultura nila sa ganon, ganito. The culture will be the one that envelopes everything and everyone in the system of Atomy. Ito yung nagbibigay ng pagkakakilanlan, ng kulay, ng buhay, at ng lakas ng sistema ni Atomy. And the culture of observing principles. Meron ba kayong nakitang CEO na yung itinuturo niya sa mga members niya, gagawin niya din? The Go 100 campaign. Nakita natin na ginawa ng ating chairman, lumabas siya to do the Go 100. Nagle-lecture pa siya para sa atin. Ganon ang ating chairman, that we should all lead by example. So ganun dapat ang mga leaders natin. And we have the culture of mutual growth. This is meant for the partner companies, yung mga manufacturers natin. Paano aalagaan ni Atomy din yung mga manufacturers natin? Number 1, cash payment within 1 week of delivery para mapaikot na nila agad yung kanilang pondo. And then financial support for facility investments, prepayment of raw material procurement. Dahil pag nanghiram sila ng pera na may kasamang interest, yung interest na yan, saan nila ipapatong yan? Doon sa presyo na bibilhin natin. Kaya hindi na natin aabutin yung absolute price na ipinaglalaban ni Atomy para sa atin kung may interest pa. Kaya pinapahiram na po ni Atomy yung kanilang mga partner manufacturers. And we have 1 company per product policy. I-try nyo po yung global market platform na letter E or letter A or yung local na letter L or letter S. I-type ninyo ang dish detergent. Maraming lalabas na klase ng dish detergent. Kayo ang maghahanap kung nasaan ang maganda doon. Pero kay Atomy, i-type mong dish detergent, ilan ang lalabas? Isa lang. Dahil yan ang pinakamagandang dish detergent para sa atin. And we have a stable distribution channels through Atomy's 15 million members. Na pag nakipag-partner si Atomy sa inyo, bilang manufacturer, sigurado ang growth mo, yung success mo. Kasi ilan ang sinusuplayan ni Atomy ng produkto? 15 million. Kaya sigurado ang business mo pag partner mo si Atomy. And then, binabantayan din ni Atomy at ng ating partner manufacturers yung fair supply price para hindi yung bigla na lang tataas yung presyo o kaya madalas yung pagtaas ng presyo. At yan, nakita na natin na madalang magtaas ng presyo si Atomy. And then, the culture of sharing. Isa to sa nakakataba ng puso natin. And makikita ninyo yung data, among the top 500 companies in Korea, sino ang nangunguna? We have the biggest heart. Atomy. Tayo yung nangunguna sa pagbigay. And our company is doing this because they are also encouraging us to become successful. So we can earn more, not for ourselves, but for us to bless more people. At nangunguna ang kumpanya natin na nagpapakita niyan. At siguro isa kayo sa mga naghintay. Ano kaya ang gagawin ni Atomy when we have the South Korea wildfire emergency? Tignan nyo naman, Atomy donated 398 million pesos to the forest fire victims in Yeongnam province. And that is the largest amount of a disaster relief donation ever. And the total na 1.2 billion pesos, this is the largest single donation amount among the Fruit of Love Disaster Relief Funds, cumulative donation na ibinigay ng isang kumpanya. At si Atomy ang nagbigay niyan. I'm sure you all are standing prouder as part of this very generous company. The fourth, the Atomy Success System. Ano nga ba ang success system dito? Sikreto ba to? Kasi sa ibang company, they keep the recipe for success as a secret. Pero dito po, we have yung ating education system, tinuturuan nila tayo para maging successful. They are training us, they are motivating us. Kaya naman, I hope everyone will value every seminar and meetings that you have to attend here in the system of Atomy. Next would be our marketing plan. This is so beautiful. This is simple, this is doable. And you will get to see more of these features or learn more of these features later on in the next lecture. The corporate philosophy. Honesty and goodness is the best strategy. Going back to the chairman's line, once trust is established, profit follows. Value muna ang ibinibigay ni Atomy sa atin. And we have the management objectives. Summary lang po yan ng mga pinag-usapan nating slides kanina. Now, let's talk about the founding principles. Continuity. Ano ang balak ni Atomy para sa atin? Atomy wants to be stable para sa lahat ng partners na umaasa sa kanya. Hindi fly-by-night na business si Atomy. Hindi yung after 3 years, nawala yung kumpanya. Ito, ilang taon ang nakaplano para sa atin? 100 years. Yan ang noble aim ng ating kumpanya. Velocity. This is the sudden change of speed na makukuha natin in any given circumstance. Na-test tayo during the COVID-19. Anong nangyari? Medyo nag-slow down tayo, pero bumawi agad si Atomy. Nagbukas palalo si Atomy ng global branches. Yung iba nagsasara, tayo nagbubukas pa ng ibang branches. At kasama sa velocity na yan, yung patuloy na pagbukas ni Atomy ng iba't ibang branches globally. At kasama din sa velocity na yan, yung ating education system. Because this is where we can have the fast dissemination of information. And yung balance, this is the hub that holds everything in balance. That there should be equity in all the stakeholders of this company. And these are our, this is the company motto, and this is our creed. Cherish the spirit of every individual that you invite in this system. At let them become your vision. When we create the vision, it should be very vivid so you can push yourself to reach that goal. Follow the faith is our compass in our everydays. Yung Diyos natin na pinaniniwalaan natin kahit hindi natin nakikita. Yung goal natin na hindi pa natin nakikita. But we know for sure na nandyan na naghihintay para sa atin. And serve in humility. This is the most basic principle na itinuturo ni Atomy para sa atin. Na kahit malayo na yung narating natin, we should always serve in humility. Now, sabi natin, we have our big whys in Atomy. Doon sa question ko kanina, how big is your love? Atomy is love. How big is your love? How big is your Atomy? Sa lahat ng big whys natin, we are trained by a big company with a big heart, pushing us with a big faith to create big actions para we can bless the big world. And how can we become that big person? Let us all continue to connect people to the Atomy dream. Let us all go Imperial. To God be all the glory. God bless Atomy.